Adding a Target gift card to an Apple Wallet is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. You can add some gift cards to Apple Wallet. However, some gift card retailers are not compatible with Apple Wallet, so not every gift card can be added. Apple has a list of wallet-compatible applications, but some gift cards can be added that aren't on this list, as well as some retailers that allow their gift cards to be added to Apple Wallet include Target, Sephora, Ulta, Macy's, TJ Maxx, Ray. Gift cards from major credit companies can be added to Apple Wallet. This includes Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover gift cards. You can add physical or e-gift cards from major credit companies like a debit or credit card by simply following the on-screen instructions in Apple Wallet to do so. The gift card balance will not be displayed, so you will have to keep track of how much is left on the card yourself. Vanilla Visa gift cards cannot be added to Apple Wallet, but Visa gift cards can. Some gift card retailers only allow e-gift cards to be added to Apple Wallet. For example, you can add Disney e-gift cards to your Apple Wallet, but physical Disney gift cards cannot be added. Unfortunately, there is no definitive list of which retailers allow which type of cards to be added to Apple Pay.